I just built a social media business that runs about 99% on AI. One tool researched a real local business, planned 50 slides of content, produced 25 finished designs, wrote every caption, organized all the files, and scheduled a full week of posts inside GoHighLevel. And my only job was to review the work and send a few short messages. So in this video, I'm going to show you the entire build from start to finish. And then I'll show you how to automate almost everything else too. The client communication, the delivery, the follow-up, even the billing. So your only real job is bringing in new clients at $500 a month each. Now, before we jump in, let me show you why I'm the right person to teach this. I run a social media marketing agency, and over the last 12 months, our clients have paid us a little over $5 million. Let me pull up my payment processor and refresh it live so you know it's real. There it is, over $5 million in the last 12 months from roughly 350 active clients paying us around $1,000 a month each. I do this in every video because too many people on YouTube teach software they've never used to make real money. Let me break this all down, starting with chapter number 1, the one-person business model. Here's the mindset I want you to have for this entire video. In this business, you only have one real job, and that's getting clients. Everything else, the content, the delivery, the client communication, the follow-up, even the billing can run on AI and automation. And that's not an exaggeration. I'm going to show you every piece. The service itself is simple. Local businesses know they need to be active on social media. It keeps them in front of customers. It builds trust. And consistent posting even helps them show up in search results, including inside ChatGPT when people ask it for recommendations. But most owners don't have the time or the design skills to post good content every week, so they just don't. And that's the gap you're stepping into. You create their content, you brand it, you schedule it, and it publishes like clockwork every single week. And here's the split that makes it a one-person business. ChatGPT Work Mode handles the production side, so the research, the strategy, the design, and the copywriting. And GoHighLevel handles the business side, so the scheduling, the approvals, the automations, and the follow-up. For the demo, I picked a real local business called Atlanta Plumbing and Drain. And real quick, they're not a client of mine. I just used their public website because I wanted to show you how far this goes with nothing but a link. Now let's get into chapter number 2. One prompt starts the whole build. So step 1, I open up ChatGPT and switch it over to work mode. And you can see I'm running the 5.6 Sol model set to high. Work mode is different from a normal chat because instead of just answering you, it can stay on a long assignment, use tools, browse the web, create files, and keep working on its own until the job is done. Now watch what I do here because this is almost the entire job. I paste in one big prompt. It starts like this. I need Instagram carousel concept boards for a new brand. Then it asks for business sources. And I only give it one, the website. So you can pause right here if you want to read the whole thing. And if you want to copy this prompt word for word, you can get all of my prompts for free with the link in the description. But more on that later. Here's what that prompt tells the AI to do. Learn the real brand from the website. Design the Instagram grid like a creative director with a light theme, a dark theme, and an accent theme that all feel connected. Come up with 10 carousel concepts, 5 slides each, where some educate, some build trust, and some convert. Keep the imagery honest, so no fake services, no fake pricing, and no fake results. And pick one comment keyword that ends every single carousel because that keyword becomes our lead generator later. And here's the part that saves you hours. The prompt says, don't create the finished images yet. Create approval boards first, so I can review the entire direction on one screen before anything gets produced. I hit send and it goes to work. You can see it reading its image generation skill and then searching the actual website. And a few seconds later, it comes back describing the business almost perfectly. A locally owned Atlanta plumbing company with emergency service, drain and sewer work, water heaters, licensed and insured technicians, and even their price match promise. It learned all of that from one link. Now let's move on to chapter number 3, my 1% review and redirect. I stepped away, and when I came back, it had worked for 14 minutes and 56 seconds straight. And look at what was waiting for me. 2 full approval boards, that's 10 carousel concepts, and 50 preview slides, all designed in the company's real colors, navy, red, gold, and cream. It even picked the comment keyword on its own. It went with plumber. And when I zoom in, this isn't random content. There's a carousel on 7 plumbing warning signs. There's an emergency guide for a burst pipe. There's one that explains what your drain is trying to tell you. There's a tank versus tankless comparison. And there's a trust carousel on why homeowners choose this company. That's education, urgency, and conversion, all in one plan. Now here's my 1% because this is where you earn your money. I reviewed the boards and sent 3 quick edits. Number 1, connect the drain pipeline graphic from slide to slide so each carousel looks like one connected piece. Number 2, work in their mascot and I attached their logo so it had the real thing to pull from. And number 3, change the keyword from plumber to flow because their slogan is flow with confidence. So flow just fits the brand better. 6 minutes and 32 seconds later, the boards came back fixed. One continuous pipeline running across every row, the mascot worked into the designs, and every final slide now says comment flow. That was the entire review process. I didn't design anything, I just directed. So now I give it the green light. I tell it to generate the first 25 images from the first board at 4x5 size, upload everything to my shared drive, and then fill out my social media planner template so I can schedule it all inside my GoHighLevel. And I attach that template right to the message. That template is just the sample CSV file that comes with HighLevel's social planner, and it's the bridge between the AI and the scheduler. Now let's move on to chapter number 4, the finished delivery. This next part is the run that sold me on the whole system. It worked for 50 minutes and 6 seconds completely on its own while I did other things. And when it finished, I had 25 production ready slides at 1080 by 1350 sitting right inside the chat. I asked it to upload the grid previews to the drive folder too, and a few minutes later, everything was in place. Look at this drive folder. There are 5 folders, one for each carousel, all numbered and named. Every image file is named by carousel and slide, so nothing is out of order. And there's a delivery folder holding the previews and the most important file of all, a CSV named Atlanta Plumbing Social Planner -flow. When I open that CSV, the whole week is already planned. 5 posts, 1 per day, each one scheduled for 7 p.m. with full captions, hashtags, and direct links to every image. It even reminded me to set the folder sharing to anyone with the link, so HighLevel can actually pull the images in. And remember, this was only the first board. There's a second approved board sitting in that same chat with 25 more slides ready to produce. So one message from me doubles the content. I stopped here because 5 finished carousels is plenty for this demonstration, but the machine keeps going as long as you keep feeding it. Now let's move on to chapter number 5, scheduling everything in GoHighLevel. I take that CSV into GoHighLevel. I go to marketing, then social planner, then I click new post and choose upload from CSV. I keep it on the basic format, upload the file, and HighLevel reads it instantly. The summary shows 5 posts ready to go. Then I pick the Instagram account I want this publishing to. And notice this option right here, send for approval. If this was a real client, I'd check that box, and every post would go to them for approval before it publishes. That one checkbox is what turns this from a risky automation into a professional service. For this demo, I skipped it and clicked create. HighLevel processes the file, and then I get a review screen with all 5 posts. The captions came through perfectly, and every carousel is sitting there with all 5 slides in the right order. I click through a few just to check the work, then I hit schedule, confirm the import, and just like that, the full batch is locked in. And here's the payoff. When I flip over to the calendar, there's the entire week. 5 branded carousels, 5 days in a row, all going out at 7 p.m. And when I open one up, it looks like a real Instagram post because it is one. Swipe through and every slide is there in order, ending with comment flow. By the way, GoHighLevel is the platform I use to run my entire agency and all of our clients. So if you haven't tried it out yet, you can use my link down in the description. And when you sign up with my link, you also get access to my community with over 100 video lessons, an AI prompt library with every prompt from this video and other bonuses completely free. All right, now let's move on to chapter number 6, putting your delivery on autopilot. Everything you just watched was me steering the system by hand, and even that was only a few short messages. But you can remove yourself from most of that too. Start on the ChatGPT side. Work mode plugs straight into your tools. Right inside the chat, it connects to Google Drive, Gmail, and there's even a HighLevel connector. So the AI is working inside the same apps your business already runs on. And because the whole build lives in one project, next month doesn't need the big prompt again. The AI already knows the brand, the keyword, and the template, so one short message kicks off the next batch. Then inside GoHighLevel, you have scheduled tasks, and this is where delivery really goes on autopilot. You set up a task one time, and on a schedule, the AI generates a full batch of branded posts and lines them up behind an approval gate without you even asking. Here's one from an earlier build, generating 7 branded posts and scheduling them on its own. And you can run these for multiple clients at the same time. Look at this. 3 different client tasks running at once: an auto shop, a coffee shop, and a fitness studio, each producing its own finished batch. Even the client review runs itself. HighLevel generates a shareable approval link. The client clicks approve or reject, and if they reject a post with a note, the AI reads that note, corrects the post, and resubmits it. So the back and forth that used to eat up your week is now a loop that runs without you. Now let's move on to chapter number 7, automating your leads and follow-up. Remember, every carousel we made ends with comment flow. So let's talk about what happens when somebody actually comments it. Inside HighLevel, you build a comment to DM agent one time, it watches the post, and when the keyword comes in, it replies to the comment and sends the guide straight to their DMs. And this works in the real world. Here's a live test from an earlier campaign I built. Same setup, different keyword. The comment came in and the DM went out in 73 seconds for about 4 cents. And that guide doesn't have to be some PDF you build by hand. You can have AI Studio create the entire landing page for you with the opt-in form, the guide, and a booking path, all matched to the client's brand. So every comment turns into a real contact inside the system, not just an engagement number. From there, the follow-up builds itself too. You tell HighLevel's workflow AI what you want in plain English, and it creates the automation for you: confirmation emails, appointment reminders, thank you messages, even a reschedule flow for missed appointments. And for the actual conversations, you attach a conversation AI agent. So when leads start asking questions in the DMs, the AI answers them and guides them to book right on the calendar. And this isn't theory. Here's a real account running this with the AI in there handling real conversations. And in the first 2 weeks of that month, the account booked 162 appointments. HighLevel tracks all of it in one place too. So when a client asks how things are going, the numbers are already sitting in the dashboard. Now let's move on to chapter number 8, your only job: getting clients. So here's where all of that leaves you. The content is produced by AI, the scheduling is handled, the approvals run on a link, the leads get answered and booked automatically. And the reporting lives in the dashboard, which means your time goes to one thing: selling this to more businesses. I'd package this exact system as a $500 a month social media service. The client gets branded, content created, scheduled, and published every single week, plus that approval step, so they always stay in control. And even with reviews and client emails, you're looking at maybe 30 to 45 minutes per client. And I keep all of that in email and support tickets, no standing meetings, because that's what keeps this a one-person business instead of a second full-time job. At $500 a month, 10 clients can be $5,000 a month. 20 clients can be $10,000 a month. And you're still one person with a laptop. And when client number 2 says yes, you don't rebuild anything. You save your first client account as a snapshot, load it into the new account, and set up a recurring $500 invoice. So even your billing is automated. Here's what that looks like from an earlier client build. And one last thing about the pitch: don't sell AI. Businesses don't buy AI. You sell the outcome: more visibility and more leads handled for them every single month. That's an easy yes. Now, coming up next, I have a brand new GoHighLevel tutorial where I walk you through the most important features in the platform step by step. So check that out if you haven't already, and I'll see you over there.